Hey, welcome back everybody to Altcoin Daily. This is a video that you do not want to miss because so many big things are happening in cryptocurrency. This is information that you're going to want to put on your radar. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. We drop one video every day, keeping you informed, putting different projects on your radar. News, perspective, opinion. If you appreciate that, smash the like button. Everybody hit the like button right now and let's get into it. Wells Fargo, yes, the Wells Fargo has just issued a report. Basically, the TLDR is that it is not too late to invest in crypto. In fact, it is incredibly early. Now, if you wanted, you could actually read the entire report yourself. Understanding Cryptocurrency special report. This went out to all of their clients, the big ones, the medium ones, the small ones, everybody who's anybody in the traditional financial world or probably has a banking account or financial account over at Wells Fargo is reading this. And just so you understand the key takeaways, cryptocurrencies, too early or too late. Cryptocurrency users are growing globally and rapidly off of a low base. Cryptocurrency appears to be near a hyper-adoption phase, similar to that of the internet during the mid to late 90s. So we're getting closer to where the internet was in the mid to late 90s. What this means for investors, we believe that cryptocurrencies are viable investments today, even though they remain in the early stage of their investment evolution. And I really liked this, how they illustrated this. They're putting out charts like this now, just like people in cryptocurrency put out charts like this. Now Wells Fargo is doing it, and they're showing the different S-curves of adoption that technologies go through. Electricity, cell phone, automobile, color TV, internet, radio. You can see their S-curves of adoption, and you can see where they placed crypto in relation to all of these other revolutionary technologies. We understand the too late to invest argument, but do not subscribe to it. It is early. It is not too late to invest. It is early. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. So Wells Fargo is saying what we've been saying on this channel for years. Wells Fargo, maybe they listen to us. Either way, I'm happy to see that a respected institution like Wells Fargo, no matter how you think of them, a respected institution, a big brand like Wells Fargo is basically coming to the same investor's thesis that we have. It's pretty eye-opening. And especially with stuff like this, shows you just how early and just how much opportunity there is. Russia, big news out of Russia. Russia to regulate crypto, dispelling the fear of the ban. The government's plan to license exchanges and tax large transactions has the support of the central bank, which previously wanted to outlaw mining and trading. So, what you need to know is this. Instead of banning cryptocurrencies, the Russian government has decided to regulate them, legitimizing a 2 trillion asset class in the world's 11th largest economy. A document settling the principles for the regulation of cryptocurrencies appeared on the government's official website Tuesday night. Notably, the plan has the support of the central bank, which had called for a ban on crypto mining and trading, but no more. And for full context, as I'm sure you know, Russia is one of the biggest countries in the world. Population 144 million. Residents of Russia own over 12 million cryptocurrency accounts and about 2 trillion rubles or 26 billion worth of crypto. And just as big takeaway coming out of this is that the Russian government is recognizing Bitcoin and crypto as currencies. They recognize that Bitcoin is a currency. They recognize that crypto is currencies, which the way they regulate it as currencies, this is a win. This is a big deal. Before we get to altcoin news, I do want to invite you again to hang out with us. Bitcoin Miami Conference 2022. Use Altcoin Daily, this code, to get a 10% discount on any ticket you buy. Use the code. We'll be there. Everybody's going. Hang out with us. Use the code Altcoin Daily. Let's talk about Cardano. Let me update you on Cardano in 2022. Cardano has achieved a new milestone as total transaction count crosses the 30 million mark. Let me give you some context and perspective. Cardano, one of the most promising ecosystems within the cryptocurrency community, continues to make developments. It's fair to say that Cardano is off to a flying start in February 2022. On the 2nd of February, IOHK, the research and development company behind the Cardano blockchain, announced the increase in the network's block size by 11%. This would see the total block size grow from the current 72 kilobytes to 80 kilobytes, thereby allowing Cardano's block to carry more transactions. Well, they're reaping the benefits of this now. According to data by Google Data Studio, the Cardano blockchain surpassed the 30 million mark in transaction number. This is the total number of transactions up and to the right. I like it. As a Cardano enthusiast, this is good to see. Let's talk about Ethereum scaling solution Arbitrum. FTX, one of the biggest exchanges, has integrated with Arbitrum. As for Coinbase, they've added a pet coin. FTX users can now withdraw Ethereum directly to Arbitrum mainnet. The key takeaways are as follows. FTX has added support for the Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution Arbitrum. The exchange will let users make direct deposits to Ethereum's Layer 2 without having to bridge assets from the mainnet. While Binance and FTX have shown their interest in supporting Layer 2s, crypto enthusiasts have slammed Coinbase for showing more interest in pet coins. Now, I like Arbitrum. I like Optimism. I like Metis, and I did want to point this out to you. In other news, interesting fact, Metis, which started off as a hard fork of Optimism, but decided to aim towards decentralization, well, now Metis has flipped Optimism with more total value locked. So, I mean, this is just good for all L2s in general. In other news, Terra has signed a 5-year deal, $40 million sponsorship deal with a Major League Baseball team, Washington Nationals. Ending weeks of speculation, Terra has finally revealed which sports franchise it struck a deal with. Nationals, Terra, and we've been seeing so many sports partnering with crypto companies like this. Huge for adoption, right? You know, this is a raindrop in the flood of positive PR and marketing that cryptocurrency is getting and will continue to receive, in this case, for 5 years. Huge news. Again, this is big. BlackRock, which is the largest asset manager in the world, I believe, 11 billion assets under management. BlackRock is now planning to offer crypto trading. Clients would be able to trade crypto through the firm's Aladdin investment platform, said one of the sources. But again, BlackRock is the biggest one in the game. And the fact that they're doing this, I mean, I'm sure many others who are smaller or mid-sized that look to them will be like, well, now we can do this. Now crypto is no longer taboo. We're all getting into this. Grand Theft Auto game publishers are highly convinced by the opportunity that is NFTs. They're not launching any NFT-related thing with Grand Theft Auto yet, but the publishers say that NFTs are a huge opportunity and they do want to head in that direction. That's great. If you are in Southern California, make sure you meet up with us at this meetup. It's coming up tomorrow. Let me know if you're going. Hope to see you there. It's a joint meetup with BitBoy and Crypto Wendy. Should be pretty fun. My name is Aaron at Altcoin Daily. See you tomorrow, friends.